Life care planning. What is it? When we talk about life care planning, we're talking about a holistic approach to client care management. That involves our legal team taking care of estate planning needs, trusts, wills, powers of attorney, and more. We're also discussing the financial planning that you need to understand what your options are for paying for long-term care, whether that's in your home or in a community. We're also discussing about the actual physical care that you may need going forward. What do we look at when we're looking at a life care plan? From a care aspect, which is the role of an elder care coordinator, I'm looking at your medical history, your diagnosis, recent history of illness or incident, and I'm creating a roadmap to help you better understand the routes that may be coming up ahead. Think of me like your personal GPS for care. We're looking at the future and trying to anticipate what could happen next. That allows you to prepare both legally and financially, and to better prepare your loved ones for the care that you'll likely be needing in the future. Whether that's independently at home and you want to stay there, we discuss the options of keeping you at home as safely as possible with the greatest quality of life. You may be considering a move to assisted living at some point in the future, where you live in a community setting and have the supportive caregivers available to you 24/7. At some point, you may be thinking, well, I need a nursing home. What does that look like for me in terms of the care I'm going to be receiving, the way that I can pay for it, and who makes those decisions for me when the time comes? We also discuss the resources available to you. There are a lot of different options for care in the state of Rhode Island, and we know all of them. We've formed relationships and valuable opinions about the care that's provided by the various companies in the state. We help to direct you with our 5-3-1 rule. We present you with 5 different options based on a geographic location and level of care. We break that down with you into your top 3 choices that you think would be the best fit for you based on the amenities or different opinions that you formed about the care communities that you've seen on their websites or from word of mouth. We break that into 2 that you go and tour, and then you choose one of those 2. If neither of those 2 that you've toured is a good option, we go back to the 3 top choices. This eliminates the confusion factor, helps you break down your decision-making in terms of choosing a care community or company, and it relieves the pressure off of your loved ones if you're preparing ahead and making these choices in advance. What services do we offer to our life care planning clients? We coordinate with various professionals in the community in order to provide the most comprehensive care we can when it comes down to planning and executing your wishes. That might mean coordinating with a home care company, involving a hospice care company. It may be touring an assisted living with you. It may be having a nurse come from a nursing home to explain to you better what nursing home care can mean. There are a lot of different resources, and we're happy to connect you with as many options as you desire. What is a client care plan? A client care plan is a written document that encompasses all of the various personal information, medical history and information, pre-selected providers, and we also discuss your legal plans, your estate planning, and your financial planning. So a client care plan is the book of you as you age, and all of the eventualities that could come up are considered in that book. So it's literally tabbed, and your loved one, should there be an emergency, grabs that binder off the fridge, goes to the tab as to what hospital you want to go to, for example, and they make sure that that is honored. They also can say, okay, mom made the choice as to what nursing home she wanted to go to if she needed to have some rehab. And so you open up to that tab, that pre-selected provider list is there. And so it eliminates those questions as to what do I do now? We already know.